Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a keyboard shortcut for adding a single line comment to a text selection in Visual Studio Code. So let's say you have a document open in VSCode, and here I'm going to select some text. And so now that you have your text selection, all you have to do is press Ctrl// or Command/ on the Mac. If you press it again on the same selection, it will toggle your multi-line comments. Now guys, just keep in mind that different types of code will add different comment types. So here I have HTML. If you do Ctrl/ on HTML, you will have HTML type comments on that area of your file. If you do the same thing on CSS, you will see the multi-line comments. And if you do Ctrl/ or Command/ on JavaScript, only then you'll have a single line comments added around the text selection. In a Python program, if you select multiple lines and hit Ctrl/, you will see these hashtags, which are the single line comments in Python. So basically, VS Code will choose whether to add single line comments or multiple line comments based on which language it identifies in your text selection.